Here's what's making news on Roadshow. It looks like Porsche's in a little bit of emissions testing hot water once again, this time over a self-reported issue with its vehicle coast-down testing. Coast-down testing measures all kinds of things, and it's a key determining factor in setting fuel economy and emissions ratings both in Europe and in the US. Because Porsche reported the issue to German transportation authorities, we assume it's not all that serious, and it will have likely already adjusted its tests to meet spec. Leave it to Audi to make the process of charging your electric car just a little bit more complicated and expensive than it needs to be. The brand with the 4 rings unveiled its European e-tron charging scheme, and it features 2 tiers, each with different monthly and per-use fees. Want to charge in town? Well, that's a little less costly, but the charge rates are slower. Do a lot of intercity commuting? That plan costs more per month and per charge, but gets you access to Ionity's 150 kilowatt fast charging network. It's still cheaper than buying gas, especially in Europe, but it's not the essentially free ride that we're used to on this side of the pond. The big T has finally gone and done it. It has gotten the Model 3 on sale on the world's largest market for cars, China. The catch is that the cars are way more expensive there than they are for us in the US, but that will likely change once Tesla finishes its Chinese Gigafactory outside Shanghai. Given the big price discrepancy between the US and the People's Republic, up to $20,000 in some cases, we'll be curious to see how well the Model 3 does there. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you Monday.